Hey editors, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to give you a Parth Edits Style Burn Edit preset completely for free. With this preset, you can create smooth and cinematic burn edits in just a few clicks. Make sure to watch the video till the end because I'll show you how to use the preset, and the download link will be in the description. Now let's check out the preview.
I know you think you can run. You're scared to believe I'm the one, but I just can't let you go.
Alright, if you like this burn edit preset, make sure to watch the video till the end. Now I'm going to show you how to import and use this preset step by step. First, download the preset from the link in the description. After downloading, open your editing app and import the preset file. Once the preset is imported, just replace the clips with your own clips. You can also adjust the timing and effects to match your edit. And that's it. Your burn edit will be ready in just a few seconds. If you enjoyed this preset, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more free presets and editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.